Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to do sumo deadlift for powerlifting. Start by setting your feet much wider than shoulder width, with your toes angled outward, typically around 45 degrees. Your shins should be very close to the barbell, about 1 inch away, to optimize your leverage. Focus on keeping your hips low and your chest proudly up, ensuring your back remains straight and neutral. Now, grip the barbell with your hands inside your knees, using either a mixed grip or a double overhand grip. Before lifting, pull the slack out of the bar. This means you'll hear a slight click as the plates engage. Actively engage your lats and upper back, pulling your shoulders down and back. Take a deep, bracing breath into your abdomen, creating maximum tension throughout your entire body. Taskbar X offers extensive customization. Navigate to the Animation tab to choose from over 40 different animation styles for when icons move. In the Style tab, you can modify the taskbar's background, opting for full transparency, a subtle blur, or an acrylic effect. You can also define conditions, such as when a maximized window is open, for the taskbar to revert to its default left alignment. At the top of the lift, achieve a full lockout by extending your hips and knees completely. Squeeze your glutes firmly and stand tall, but be careful not to hyperextend your lower back. To descend, reverse the movement pattern, maintaining control over the barbell. Lower it slowly and deliberately back to the floor, ensuring you maintain tension and a strong posture throughout the entire controlled descent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.